Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of DJI and their upcoming releases. We've got some juicy details about the highly anticipated DJI Osmo 360 and the next-gen DJI Mini 5 Pro. DJI is known for pushing the boundaries of camera technology, and the Osmo 360 is no exception. This new 360-degree camera is set to revolutionize the way we capture immersive content. With its cutting-edge sensors and advanced stitching technology, the Osmo 360 promises to deliver stunning 360-degree photos and videos with unparalleled clarity and detail. Imagine capturing breathtaking landscapes, thrilling action sequences, and unforgettable moments in a way that truly transports you to the scene. But that's not all. DJI is also gearing up to release the next-gen DJI Mini 5 Pro, a drone that takes the already impressive Mini series to new heights. This compact powerhouse is expected to feature a host of improvements, including a higher resolution camera, longer flight time, and advanced obstacle avoidance systems. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or just starting, the Mini 5 Pro is sure to be a game-changer. Stay tuned for more updates on these exciting releases and other DJI innovations. We'll be keeping you posted on the latest news and rumors, so you can be among the first to know when these products hit the market. The DJI Osmo 360 boasts a sleek and compact design, perfectly suited for capturing life's precious moments on the go. At the heart of this innovative camera lies a sophisticated dual-lens system, engineered to deliver breathtaking 360-degree footage with unparalleled clarity and precision. This cutting-edge technology empowers users to relive their experiences in immersive, cinematic quality. The Osmo 360 also features a convenient front-facing display, providing users with effortless monitoring and control. This intuitive interface enables seamless adjustments and settings customization, ensuring that every shot is framed to perfection. Furthermore, the camera's robust wireless connectivity capabilities facilitate smooth file transfer and streaming, making it easy to share captivating content with the world. Speculation surrounding the Osmo 360's release date suggests that it may arrive just in time for the holiday shopping season, as hinted by recent FCC listings. As the launch draws near, excitement builds among photography enthusiasts and content creators, eagerly anticipating the opportunity to experience the unparalleled creative possibilities offered by the DJI Osmo 360. The DJI Mini series has long been a stalwart favorite among drone enthusiasts, and the forthcoming Mini 5 Pro is poised to perpetuate this trend. As we eagerly await the release of this highly anticipated drone, let's examine the exciting features and enhancements that are expected to define the Mini 5 Pro experience. At the forefront of these advancements is the incorporation of a larger sensor, which promises to significantly elevate image quality and low-light performance. Furthermore, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to boast enhanced AI tracking capabilities, facilitating more accurate and reliable subject tracking. The integration of 5G connectivity will also enable faster data transfer and smoother remote control, revolutionizing the way users interact with their drones. While the exact release date remains uncertain, speculation suggests that the Mini 5 Pro will launch in November. As DJI continues to push the boundaries of innovation, its commitment to delivering exceptional products is evident. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a casual content creator, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is sure to captivate, offering an unparalleled drone experience that redefines the possibilities of aerial photography and videography. What are your thoughts on the Osmo 360 and Mini 5 Pro? Let us know in the comments below.